In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expiring discount in Freshbooks. Whether you're looking to boost sales, establish a sense of urgency, or simply reward loyal customers, adding a time-limited discount to your invoices can be a powerful strategy. Let's dive right in and get you set up with a discount that won't last long. First things first, you'll want to create a new invoice for your client. Log into Freshbooks and navigate to your Invoices section. This part is straightforward. Once you're there, click on the option to create a new invoice. Now this is where you'll begin laying out all the essential details for your client. Be sure to carefully add your client's name or business, along with any specific line items for products or services you're providing. Essentially, you're setting up the basic structure of your invoice, much like you would routinely. Next, it's time to introduce the discount. Start by clicking on Add a Line, which allows you to create a new line item specifically for your discount. You'll want to enter this as a separate line to keep it distinct and easily visible on the invoice. This step ensures that both you and your client can clearly see the value of the discount you're offering. Now, let's focus on the rate field. This is where the discount amount comes into play. Enter the discount as a negative number, for instance, minus $50 if you're offering a flat reduction. Alternatively, you can specify it as a percentage, such as minus 10%, which might be preferable if you want the discount to scale with larger invoices. This negative value will subtract from the total amount, providing a clear reduction in what your client will owe. This next step is crucial for clarity and effective communication with your client. Use the notes or description section of the invoice to highlight that the discount is only available for a limited time. Be sure to include an expiration date for this offer. By doing so, you create a sense of urgency for your client, encouraging prompt action. Clearly stating this expiration date not only sets expectations, but also helps avoid any future misunderstandings once the discount period ends. With everything now in place on your invoice, you're ready for the final stage, saving and sending the invoice to your client. Double-check the entire invoice to ensure all the details, including the expiring discount and its terms, are correct. When you're satisfied, save your work and issue the invoice. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an expiring discount on Freshbooks. This strategic move can help you drive sales and reinforce positive relationships with your clients. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips on maximizing your Freshbooks experience.